Hey everyone, welcome back to the Apple Manual. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to boost your Mac's performance using Activity Monitor, a built-in tool that gives you a real-time view of how your system is running. Let's dive in. First, open Activity Monitor using Spotlight Search. Just press Command plus space, type Activity Monitor, and hit Enter. Once it opens, you'll see several tabs at the top: CPU, Memory, Energy, Disk, and Network. Each of these gives you a snapshot of how your Mac is using resources. Start with the CPU tab. This shows which apps are using the most processing power. If something's hogging your CPU and your Mac feels slow, select the app and click the X button in the top left corner to force quit it. Next, go to the Memory tab. Here you'll see how your RAM is being used. Keep an eye on the memory pressure graph at the bottom. If it's green, you're good. Yellow or red means your memory is stretched. Try closing some apps or restarting your Mac to free up resources. Now switch to the Energy tab. This one's great for MacBook users. It shows which apps are draining your battery the most. Quitting high-energy apps can give your battery life a solid boost. Over in the Disk tab, you'll see how much data each app is reading from or writing to your drive. Apps with heavy disk activity can slow things down. If anything looks off, you may want to investigate or close it. Finally, check the Network tab. This shows which apps are sending or receiving the most data. If your internet feels sluggish, this can help you spot background apps using up your bandwidth. And that's it! By checking Activity Monitor regularly and closing unnecessary apps, you'll keep your Mac running smoother and faster. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and feel free to leave your questions down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.